If you're a newcomer to Canada or planning to become one, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into the step-by-step process of applying for a Canadian Permanent Resident (PR) card. This comprehensive guide will cover everything from eligibility to submitting your application, ensuring you have all the information you need for a smooth and successful application. So let's get started! The Canadian PR card is an essential document for all permanent residents. It's your proof of status in Canada and is required for re-entering the country after traveling abroad. Obtaining your PR card involves a series of steps, from gathering the right documents to submitting your application. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Confirm your eligibility. First and foremost, ensure you're eligible to apply for a PR card. You must be a permanent resident of Canada and physically present in the country. Additionally, you must not be under a removal order, must not be a Canadian citizen, and must not have been convicted of an offense related to the misuse of a PR card. It's crucial to meet these criteria to avoid any issues with your application. If you're uncertain about your eligibility, consult the IRCC website or contact their support for more information. Step 2. Gather required documents. Next, you'll need to gather several important documents to apply for your PR card. 1. Proof of permanent resident status. This includes your confirmation of permanent residence, COPR, or record of landing. 2. Photocopies of identification, such as your passport or travel document. 3. Photographs. Follow the photo specifications provided by Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC. Ensure all documents are clear, legible, and meet the IRCC's requirements. Let's go into more detail about these documents. Proof of permanent resident status. This document is vital as it confirms your status in Canada. Ensure it is not damaged and all information is clearly visible. Photocopies of identification. Make sure your identification documents are current and valid. Passports or travel documents should not be expired. Photographs. These need to meet specific requirements. For example, the photos should be taken against a plain white background, and your face should be fully visible. 3. Check the IRCC guidelines for precise details. Step 3. Complete the application form. Download the PR card application form, IMM 5444, from the IRCC website. Fill it out carefully, ensuring all information is accurate. Here are some key sections to pay attention to. 1. Personal information, your full name, date of birth, and contact information. 2. Residency obligations. You must provide information about your time spent in and outside Canada. 3. Photographs. Attach the required photographs according to the specifications. Double-check all details to avoid any mistakes that could delay your application. Common mistakes include incorrect personal information, missing signatures, and not adhering to photo specifications. Step 4. Pay the application fee. The current fee for a PR card application is CAD 50. You can pay online through the IRCC's payment portal. After payment, print the receipt and include it with your application package if you're applying by mail. Make sure you keep a copy of the receipt for your records. It's important to note that fees are subject to change, so always verify the current fee on the IRCC website before making your payment. Step 5. Submit your application. Once your application form is complete and you've gathered all required documents and the payment receipt, it's time to submit your application. You can submit your application online or mail your application to the IRCC's PR Card Processing Center. The mailing address can be found on the IRCC website. Use a secure mailing service to track your package and ensure it arrives safely. We recommend using a courier service that provides tracking and insurance options. This way, you can monitor the delivery and ensure your important documents are safe. Step 6. Wait for processing. After submission, the IRCC will process your application. The processing time can vary, so be patient. You can check the status of your application online using your Unique Client Identifier, UCI, or application number. Typical processing times range from a few weeks to a couple of months. During this period, ensure that you are reachable at the address provided in your application in case the IRCC needs further information. Step 7. Receive your PR card. If your application is approved, you'll receive your PR card in the mail. Ensure your mailing address is up to date with the IRCC to avoid any delays. The PR card is typically valid for 5 years and must be renewed before it expires. It's essential to keep your PR card safe and carry it with you when traveling. If your card is lost, stolen, or damaged, you must report it to the IRCC immediately and apply for a replacement. Tips and reminders. Here are some additional tips and reminders to ensure a smooth application process. 1. Keep your information updated. If you change your address or any other personal information, notify the IRCC immediately. 2. Travel plans. If you need to travel before receiving your PR card, apply for a Permanent Resident Travel Document, PRTD, to re-enter Canada. 3. Renewal. Start the renewal process well before your current PR card expires to avoid any lapse in your status. Remember, maintaining accurate records and being proactive in managing your PR status will save you time and stress in the long run. Applying for a Canadian PR card might seem daunting, but by following these steps carefully, you can ensure a smooth and successful application process. Stay organized, double-check your application, and make sure you have all the necessary documents. For more information and updates, visit the IRCC website. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Canada Neo for more detailed guides and tips for newcomers to Canada. Until next time, take care and good luck with your PR card application.